Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to change language on Facebook. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our Facebook account. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click the three lines here. And right after that, we're going to scroll down. And if you notice, we have here settings and privacy. We're going to click this. And right after that, we can scroll down again. And if you notice, we have here app language. We're going to click this. And with that, we will be routed on our mobile settings. We're going to click then language. And once we are here, we can go ahead and choose the language that we want to set on our Facebook. So just like for example, we're going to choose Italiano. So that one. So with that, we can go ahead to our Facebook account. So we'll try to log in then. And if you notice, the language of our Facebook is now on Italian. So basically, that's how we are going to change language on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.